Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebraic challenge. So here we have this is nice algebraic expression 8 minus 8 multiplied by 8 minus 8. So we solve this problem here and now first I can explain some common mistakes which students can do. So some students can solve in this way. 8 minus 8 becomes 0 multiplied by 8 minus 8 becomes 0 and its final answer becomes 0, but this is the wrong answer. Okay, this is wrong way to solve this type of problem. So here we use the PEMDAS or board mass rule to solve this problem. Okay, so we use here the board mass rule. So first B stands for brackets of means for multiplication sign or into sign, and D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. So we can follow this rule here from left side to right side. Okay, so we follow this from its order is follow from left to right. It means that here you see that we have there are three operations, there are two operations, negative sign, subtraction or multiplication. So according to this rule here here the first priority is multiplication and the second priority is subtraction. So it means that first we multiply these two values, and now first we copy down given question statement here. It is 8 minus 8 multiply 8 minus 8. So first we gives the first priority into the multiplication sign, and we have 8 minus 8, 8 are 64 minus 8. And now here we first gives here the negative property of first we subtract these two values. So we have 8 minus 64 becomes, so 8 minus 64 becomes minus 56 minus 8, and finally we get here 56 minus 8 becomes here minus 64. So this is our final simplified form of the given question, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.